how one picture at Sephora changed my entire look forever. It's holiday 2013 at Sephora, and I have to change all of the marketing pictures on the tops of the makeup bays for holiday. Normally, it's Sephora collection or just pictures of makeup where the clients can feel inspired. So as a Sephora cast member, you have to pick a look and you have to do one every single day. So for all of holiday, so pretty much from like October until December, you have to have one of those looks on every single day. The looks were pretty generic. I mean, most of the time it's for holiday, so it's like gold glitter, a red lip, or something like that. But there was one look that was different than all of the rest. And I just couldn't stop wanting to be what this look kind of embodied. It was super confident, super edgy. It was different than everyone else. It was a look that I knew that no one was going to be picking. See the look? How absolutely incredibly stunning is it? To remind you, this is the year 2013, so this is already 10 years ago, and I have never forgotten about this specific look. This look changed everything for me. I had already been wearing smoky eyes for years, but it was never like this. It never had this sort of edge to it, where it was, I don't care. I don't care what you think. I am so confident. I am so cool, so vampy, so punk. It was just, it was everything to me. And I wore it every single day. Literally since then. I've worn this look every single day since then.